Wow, this spread is amazing. It's like a dream come true. I am Ria, by the way. I just had to introduce myself to the sweets. Nice to meet you, Ria. I am Sanya. If we are talking sweets, I'm your partner in crime. They say weddings are about celebrating, but I think it's really about the desserts. Haha, absolutely. I have been eyeing that chocolate fountain since I walked in, but I am trying to keep it together. How about you? Enjoying the wedding so far? Oh, definitely. But I have been here for the last 2 hours, and the highlight so far was avoiding the aunties who want to set me up with their nephews. So far, it's been a success. You have survived the matchmaking aunties? That's an achievement. I am here to make sure my friend does not elope with the groom. Just keeping an eye out. Good plan. Although, if the groom looks as stressed as he does now, he might need a quick escape. I have seen him glancing at the exit like he's planning his getaway. It's like a live action escape room with wedding decorations. Definitely. And the bride's been rehearsing her graceful walk down the aisle. I'm expecting a full performance of high drama. Do you think if we pile enough sweets on our plates, we will magically blend in with the dessert table and get away with it? It's worth the shot. The real challenge is balancing it all while pretending we are totally in control. Let's see if we can manage without turning into walking dessert displays. And if anyone asks, we are food critics. Perfect. I have always wanted to be a food critic. This is a great start. Look at them trying to organize a group photo. It's like herding cats. Everyone look at the camera. No, not the food. And the guy in the back trying to sneak in a selfie. Classic move. He will end up with the most interesting wedding album. I think we should offer our services as professional wedding photo organizers. We would make a fortune. Definitely. And we would save everyone from awkward photo poses and missing out on cake. I think it's time to hit the dance floor. I have been practicing my shuffle moves in the living room. Perfect timing. I have been working on my avoid the spotlight dance. Let's see if we can blend in without too much drama. Challenge accepted. But if I accidentally step on your toes, you are officially my dance partner. Deal. Just try not to step on my dress. I don't have a backup. This wedding turned out to be a lot more fun than I expected, and it's all thanks to you. Same here, we have made it through the food, the awkward family moments, and even some dance move. What more could we ask for? Two unexpected friends and unforgettable moments. Cheers to that!